Have you ever gone for a short-term reward, sacrificing your work to achieve a longer-term reward? Most of us have. To make those long-term rewards something we engage in, we have to make those rewards feel more real and powerful in our minds in the present. They have to be at the level that you can almost taste them. Therefore, choosing the work you need to do for a long-term reward over an immediate one will take you off course. Visualization of rewards is a strategy to help you get started to continue the work toward a long-term goal. It wards off distraction, diversion, and prematurely giving up. Before the short-term temptation arises, and that point where you feel like you're going to have trouble getting started on a project or begin having rationalizations around wanting to quit, take a few moments and close your eyes to visualize what that reward once you reach that long-term goal will look like and feel like. Imagine you are experiencing that reward. The more concrete, visceral, and emotional you make this visualization, the better it will work. For more coaching tips, adopt a micro habit of hitting that subscribe button for everyday ADD coaching with the commitment to use more coaching to manage your ADD.